Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the best and most affordable garage door openers available today. The Genie Chain Drive 550 Garage Door Opener, Model 2035 TKO. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and easy-to-install opener that won't break the bank, this is the product for you. The Genie Chain Drive 550 is built with a heavy-duty chain drive system, designed to ensure long-lasting, reliable operation. This system is made to handle the tough job of opening and closing your garage door day in and day out. The strength of the chain ensures smooth operation, making it an ideal choice for any home. One of the standout features of this model is how easy it is to install. The Genie Chain Drive 550 comes with a strong, pre-assembled 5-piece rail system that snaps together without the need for additional hardware. Even the chain is pre-assembled, so there's no complicated cable work involved, saving you time and effort. Whether you're installing it yourself or hiring a professional, this system makes the job quicker and more straightforward. For those who value convenience, the Genie Chain Drive 550 is compatible with popular in-car remote systems such as HomeLink and Car2U. This means you can open your garage door with your car's built-in remote without needing any extra hardware like bridges or repeaters. It's just one more way this opener is designed to make your life easier. When it comes to safety and security, this garage door opener doesn't fall short. It comes equipped with a safe T-beam non-contact reversing system, which ensures the door reverses if an obstruction is detected, keeping your family and property safe. Additionally, it includes Genie Sense monitoring and diagnostic technology to ensure everything is running smoothly. And the IntelliCode Access security system gives you an added layer of protection by constantly changing the access code. For ease of use, the Genie Chain Drive 550 includes two pre-programmed 3-button remotes, a wireless keypad for opening the door with a pin, and a multi-function wall console with vacation lock and light control button. These features offer multiple ways to control your garage door, making it a versatile addition to your home. This model also operates with a 120-volt power supply, ensuring compatibility in most homes. However, if you're using it outside of the United States, you might need a converter to match the voltage requirements. In summary, the Genie Chain Drive 550 offers a powerful, affordable, and convenient solution for anyone in need of a reliable garage door opener. With its durable design, easy installation, and advanced safety features, it's a fantastic option for homeowners looking to enhance their garage with minimal hassle. For more information on the Genie Chain Drive 550, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews from Product Critique.